In this video, I'll be walking you through my new keyword research strategy using Titans Pro. It's fast, effective, and it saves you so much time, so make sure you watch this full video. Now, Titans Pro has been created by Self-Publishing Titans, and it is an awesome addition to your research process. I've been using it recently and it's definitely helped me find more low competition, high demand niches. So if we take a look and see some of the things it provides when you type something into the Amazon search bar. So we've got Amazon search suggestions on the left hand side, then we've got estimated search volume. However, Amazon does not provide this specific search volume. However, there are ways to estimate this, and Self-Publishing Titans would have their own algorithm and tools to figure this out. Then to the right of that, you have search results, which saves you a lot of time as you can see the number of searches there, and then you can choose which keyword that you want to target based off this number. Now, I usually look for 2,000 or below, just because I like competing against less books. However, if you are running ads, you can go higher and compete against books with much higher results. Then to the right of that, we have demand, and this is just an indication of how much demand there might be in a niche. So if the number is 0, that indicates no demand, and if the number is 9, then that indicates very, very high demand. And then finally, to the right of that, we have opportunity, and this is just an indicator of how worthwhile a niche might be. So just the likelihood of yourself getting on that first page and actually making sales. So for me, having all of these different categories, which you can actually filter as well, just makes everything so much faster. So it's down to you, whatever you want to filter by. All you have to literally do is click on the specific category. So I like to look at search results as I'm looking for those niches that don't have too many results, but also have a good demand and opportunity as well. So it's so easy to use. All you need to do is type in a keyword and then all of these suggestions will come up. Then you can just filter by the search results, look through the demand and the opportunity, and find a keyword to target. So you have two sides, one on the left and one on the right. And then on the right hand side, I just took a scroll through and I found something that interested me, which was fashion coloring books for girls age 8 to 12 that had a good estimated search volume and a low amount of search results. And just by clicking on that, it takes us straight through to the search results based on the keyword. And just to mention another great tool apart from Titans Pro that Self-Publishing Titans offer is the Titans Quick View, and it just provides a quick summary of all the information on the first page, as well as a box of information for each specific book that provides key info such as the BSR and categories. And Titans Quick View is free to use. And just taking a look at the top, we can see that the opportunity they've given us is an 8. The demand is a 4, so there is some demand for this. Then the total amount of results we can see is 1,299. And on the first page, there is 31 independently published books. So there is a good chance if you create a book that you can get onto this first page. It also has a decent average BSR of 250,000. Then we can see the reviews is over 1,700, and then the average price is $5.48, which gives us a good idea of how to price our books. Then when scrolling down, one of the indicators that I really like to look at if I should publish in a niche is seeing how some of the new books are doing. So we can see that this book released June the 9th has a BSR of 90,000, so it's doing well. Then to the right of that, we can see another book released in April this year has a BSR of 48,000 and 102 pages. So it gives us an idea of how many coloring pages we might need. Then to the left-hand side, we can see another book that was released in 2021 has a really low BSR of just over 4,600. And that shows the potential of a bestseller within this niche. Then there's also 2 more books with decent BSRs of 60,000 and 130,000. Then another book that's been recently released in only April that has a BSR of over 187,000. So that's one of the things you got to make sure that you are looking for when doing your niche research, looking for recent books that are selling well too. Now, Titans Pro is also awesome across a great number of niches. On my channel, I cover a lot of different niches, and I've recently done a video on Spot the Difference books. And you can type that into the search bar and use Titans Pro just to find niches and keywords that you want to target. And then you can use all the information that you provided with Titans Pro just to make a better decision. So you can filter by search results. and look for those keywords that have a low number of search results, a good number of estimated search volume, high demand, and a good opportunity. And we've got a number of interesting results in there that we can take a look and click on in order to delve down deeper into and make sure that recent books are selling. Now, don't be limited only to the US market. This tool is also awesome in other marketplaces, so you can take a look through the UK and find interesting ideas. You can also take a look through the Canadian market as well and just find ideas that you can really niche down and create something unique in. There's so many different markets that Amazon gives us access to, and don't just limit yourself to the US market. Now, if you want to download any of these tools, you can go onto the Chrome Web Store. In order to download Titan's Quick View, that will give you access to that summary and the box of information on top of each book, which is free. However, Titan's Pro, you can go on there and download it too, but there is a price to use the tool. And there are a lot of limitations with the free options. You only get a huge Amazon suggestions list. However, with the Lifetime Pro, and that's what I went for, it's only $97 for the next few days, but there's so many benefits to using this tool that I've showed in the video. However, the other option is to use the Titans Pro. There's a monthly option, which is only $14 a month, or you can pay for the year, which is $112. Make sure you also sign up to my free newsletter, Royalties on Demand, about building a sustainable online income, as I'll also be interviewing the creator of this tool in this week's newsletter, Corvin, and he's going to provide all the tips and tricks that's helped him earn over 6 figures on Amazon KDP in Sunday's newsletter, so make sure you're signed up. Thanks for watching another video. I will leave an affiliate link for this tool in the comments, and also let me know what you think about this tool.